Hi friend, welcome back to Chim sneaker. And today we got back to another Converse. By looking the box, which model do you guess it is? So, yeah, from the title I guess you are all know this is the renewed Converse from the Converse Sustainability Collection. So, let's have a quick look. This is the renewed cotton model. So, here is our sneaker. The Converse Allstar Classic renews with the gray colorway. So here it is. Yes. So let's have a quick overview of the sticker and to see what you're feeling about this one. So this is a model of Converse renews. In my hand it is the Made in Vietnam. And what size is it? Let's see inside the tongue. It is of size 41.5. So this is a high top sneaker with the classic feature of the Converse Classic. The only exception for the lower part, like the midsole and the outsole, is that it has a white outsole instead of a gum outsole like another classic Converse model, which is still be fine because like anyway you won't see this part of the sneaker when wearing it. So another difference you can notice that it don't have the black stripe here and here just like the classic model. I've already introduced to you another colorway of the renewed cotton collections in some of my old video, so I won't say about the collection so much, but when seeing the reviews on the Converse pages, I see the complaints about the form of the sneaker about this model, because they say that the upper don't have a very shape and up form just like any other type of Converse Chuck 70 or Converse Classic. And yeah, that's true. The reason why is because, you know, this is made from a renewable material. So this, you can see that it has two layers. An inside layer which is a little bit like elastic and flexible, and the outside layer which is made by reduced knitting, I believe. So that is the reason why it don't have a very shape and up form like the original canvas material, but everything like have two sides. This one, it is way lighter, and it is feeling better when you using it on your feet, because like this material is not as thick as the canvas. When wearing the Converse in the canvas material, you can feel the heat of your feet, but this one, not really. It feels very comfortable in the aspect of feeling the heat. And also you can see the difference in the laced part. It don't have the metal eyelet like the original model, but it have like just knitting eyelets and knitting ventilation. I like the logo. I like the lime color here, which make the logo look super like stand out, super straightforward in the bottle. And it also have a piece here for you to hang the sneaker whenever you wash it, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so this is my quick look and quick review of the Converse Chuck Taylor Cotton Renew model in the red colorway. See you again in the next episode of Chim Sneaker. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. Love you guys.